Welcome. My name is Peter Strong. I'm a professional psychotherapist and I offer online therapy via Skype for treating anxiety and depression, addictions, and other common psychological emotional problems that respond well to mindfulness therapy. And I specialize in mindfulness therapy because I find it to be very effective. And my clients really like the skills that they learn. So I'm often asked, are there any online therapists that can help overcome anxiety? And there are a growing number, and some of them specialize in mindfulness therapy, like I do. Others provide a service to help you discover new understandings and ways of looking at your anxiety that can be useful. In general, what I recommend is that you work with an online therapist for your anxiety who really is good at teaching you specific methods, practical methods and tools that you can apply yourself between sessions. It's learning how to become more skillful in working with anxiety and other forms of emotional reactivity. This is what is most important. People like the convenience of online therapy. It means you can, first of all, have your sessions from home without having to travel to see a therapist. Sometimes there just are not local options available. If you're living abroad, or if you're living in a rural area, or even if you're living in a big city, sometimes it's very difficult to find an affordable therapist to work with. Also, online therapy gives you more options, like any other online browsing. It makes available a much greater range of options for you to find something that you feel really good about and that meets your needs. So if you're looking for an online therapist for anxiety, I definitely recommend you do a good Google search first of all, and then be sure that you can establish a line of communication with the prospective therapist where you can ask your questions and make sure that those questions are well answered. Also, when you're selecting an online therapist, be sure that you don't have to pay upfront for an online session. You should be selecting therapists that will allow you to determine if the sessions are providing the right kind of support, and pay only when you are satisfied with the outcome of each session. I think that's quite important. That's the policy that I use, and it's a satisfaction-based arrangement. I think that's best for everyone. So the mindfulness-based approach that I offer online is particularly effective for giving you those tools and methods for reducing the level of your anxiety. I will teach you precisely how to apply mindfulness for working with anxiety, and you will start to see quite significant improvements even after the first one or two sessions, once you learn how to work with your anxiety using mindfulness. So if you'd like to learn more about online therapy for anxiety and specifically mindfulness therapy for anxiety, then please go to my website and feel free to contact me and ask any questions you have about this approach and whether it's the right approach for you. Most people really enjoy mindfulness therapy. It's very empowering, it's very positive in nature, and most people see results very quickly with this approach. So please contact me if you would like to learn more, and of course, please contact me if you would like to schedule a Skype therapy session. Thank you.